Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to delete Bitget account. For that, you just have to launch your Bitget mobile application, and once you are on the home page, you need to tap on this square icon in the top left hand corner. Over here in the top, you are going to see your username as well as your user ID. So you need to tap on this section and then you will be landed on this user center page. Now over here in the bottom you are going to see the option of close account. So if you tap on close account, it will show you this prompt that you need to check this box, and after that you just have to tap on close account in the bottom. Then it will show you that before closing your account you need to complete these following steps. In the first step, you just have to close or sell your positions if you have made any. Then in the second step, you just have to withdraw all of your money from your account before closing your account. After that, you just have to tap on the close account button in the bottom, and then you just have to confirm your closure. This way you will be able to easily delete your Bitget account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.